Hi everybody. If you want to make pictures like these amazing pictures and you want to convert your words into a picture, into a diagram, or even simple, if you write your idea, your theme, and that will be converted into a picture, into a 3D picture. So today we will learn how to convert our words into an image. Just install a Bing chat tool from any available Play Store for Microsoft Windows, for any Mac operating system, for Android operating system. Here is interface in front of us. Very simple interface. This is an AI tool which converts our words into a beautiful image. Whatever we want to sketch down, what we want to draw down, just write in your own words, then you will see a magic. So image converter, image creator, the best apps available in lot of apps. First I will click on the image creator. I write a prompt, please draw a quantum computer image. So what he draw for us? Let's see. Wait for a moment. He draw quantum computer image in our front of us. You can see. So how beautifully we prompt, how beautifully we write the prompt, that outcome the best image. If we draw the 3D image, then what we say? Draw a quantum computer 3D image. We change our prompt from simple image to a 3D image. Now click on the create button and see 3D images are in front of us. 4 images. Every time we produce the images, these are in 4 numbers. So this is a beautiful and amazing app. How can we create these images? How can we prompt these images? All things are we are learning here. And at the end, we will learn how to save these images to use it for further or in future in our work, in the social media works, or in any booklet or in any news, we can use these pictures. So just write prompt beautifully to see the beautiful results. Now, if we want to draw a sitting man on the grassy plot with eating mangoes with two buddies. So what he draw for us? Here we can say that it draw 4 images of different 4 age groups, for teenagers, for under 10 age, for young guys, and for mature ones. So these are all are different 4 aspects of the images that he create for us, because we didn't tell him the age group. So he different 4 images, 3 buddies with eating mangoes he created for us. So this is a simple image, not a 2D image or not a 3D image. So next, draw 3D image. What will he draw for us? Same, please draw 3D natural picture of 3 buddies sitting uh, on a lake bridge, on a bridge along the lakeside with jumping fishes throughout blue water. So this is the actual prompt. Please draw third 3D natural pictures of 3 buddies. So here we see what he draw for us. So here are 3 beautiful pictures that he draw. So this is a natural pictures, real and 3D pictures. So point to understand is that how beautifully we draw how beautifully how detailed we write the description of the prompt. So first one is just I think evening time pictures that he draw for us. 3 buddies there, they are chanting and fishes are jumping into the blue waters. So next one is I think evening time, more dark evening time. And the last one is, I think, the most beautiful picture that I ever imagine. It's really according to my imagine that what I want to see. That is actual picture that he produced for us. So all you need to do is write the best description in your prompt. What you want, please explain your question with more details. Then you will find the more things. So if you want to save this picture, click on the history and tap on the first interface of the Bing AI chatbot. Here, history on the first page. Last 70 history is available. Search that 3 image link. So I think here it is. I click on wait for a moment. So the that 4 images will be loaded in front of us. Let's suppose I want to save this picture. I want to download this picture. So click on the right side 3 dots, download it. Picture is downloaded. Now you can use it to any website or any social media activities, or you can use it on any. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.